Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a lookbook. I have 7 different looks to show you guys that I put together really quickly. I love all of the outfits so much. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite outfit. You know, I'm definitely gonna do more of these videos. I really liked it. So if you have any other video requests, let me know in the comments. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I also have a baking channel that I just posted on, so you should definitely go check it out in the comments, or in the comments, in the description. And I also have like a little baking Instagram channel, or what's going on? Account, a baking Instagram account. I have like a bunch of baked goods and stuff up there. I have little clips of me putting together items and decorating them and stuff like that. So if you're interested in that, make sure to check all of those links in the description. And yeah, let's get into the video.
Baby, let me ask you. Don't answer. After party, what? Just cancel. I could get you up.
Que se sé que no és culpa ser milionària. Si ploguessin sanes bitllets pels aires. Un dia per Mumbai i el següent a Malta. Sempre ben escoltada, prova de bala. El que voldries tenir un Bentley de color blanc i un de...
Never gotta slip that. You could bet that. Never gotta slip that.
Be the cash, I'll be the rubber band. You be the match, I will be a fuse. Boom, painter, baby, you could be the muse. I'm the reporter, baby, you could be the news. 'Cause you're the cigarette. Pero yo bailo quietecito, mamá. Pongo cara de que no pasa nada. Mientras empujo su seguro y para atrás. Quiere que me anime a bailar. Pero yo bailo quietecito, mamá. Pongo cara de que no pasa nada. Él quiere una americana loca, 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 loca. Yo sé que le gusta la fiesta, 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 fiesta. Pero yo no soy una de esas, de esa, de esa, de esa. Lo dejo con la camisa hecha, 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 hecha. Ey, anoche estaba en un lugar de esos que voy para bailar y el tipo se pegaba y yo lo despegaba. Yo no soy así, yo no soy así, yo no soy así, yo no soy así.
Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. I'm not sure which one mine was. I actually love all of them. I'm really honestly proud of myself for styling these outfits. I did it with like 30 minutes or something. So I'm proud of myself. I really love all the outfits and I can't actually wait to wear them out. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, which will be linked down below, along with my baking channel and my baking Instagram. I have a ton of cakes, cupcakes, donuts, even a bunch of different like baking recipes on there, and you know, tons of little time-lapse videos and stuff like that. So definitely go check that out. I just posted a new video. So yeah, but that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Good place and go communicate, yeah. Like what's your music taste, yeah. No, you didn't cook your most you can call him on it, go. Test me when you're free.